Well, today's what, Thursday, November the 4th, I believe. It's about 42 degrees, no wind. It's a nice day for the first time in a week. And here we have another 2,000 pounds, 1 ton of feed. It's 60% cracked corn and 40% ground barley mix for the pigs and the cows. And they just finished the pigs just finished their one ton of hog grower, and now I'm going to finish them on this because they go to market. They were supposed to go the end of November, but they're not putting. They didn't grow as fast as they normally do, these ones, and so it's probably going to be pushed till January, which I don't like. But usually 6 months and they're up to 250 pounds live weight, but they're not. They're about 60 pounds short. For some reason, this bunch, for some reason, I have a funny feeling that they were crosses with a heritage breed, because very slow growing, and that's common with crosses with heritage breeds. You guys sure made a short work of that old rotten round bale of hay. That I got 2 left down there that I'm going to keep for the pigs here. I gave the cows and the steers and heifers one of the new bales yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. So, yeah, this is the first nice day we've had in a good week or so. Usually it's been windy and cold. It was cold last night though. It was like down to like -5 overnight. See if I can find the boar here. He's got the long curly tail. That guy right there. There's the boar right there. He was back in there. He's crossways from me there. There. There's a brown spot on his back. See his testicles. Here's the boar right there. Middle one. Not related to any of the females. I'm keeping 3 females and him, and the other 6 will go. I got 1 runt here that I'll probably have to hang on till the spring. He's the one over there. The fence just turned around and coming towards me. He's a runt. That one there. So he'll probably be hanging around. Ice. There's Mr. Bull. I tried to get a few bags of annual ryegrass to throw down in this one pasture before the snow comes, and they didn't have any, so they had to order me it. So hopefully it gets here before we get snow. full on feeding hay here now, so because there's no grass left for them. There's a little calf way down there, and one of the heifers. He's a steer. And there's the mama laying down there. Mr. Bull. Why, they've been pigging out on this year's hay here. That's the first bale I gave them of the new hay yesterday, and they all got huge bellies on them. Humongous bellies. One heifer this morning there, boy, she was just huge in her belly. I went there. Where's the other heifer? Oh, there she is over there by the boat. You can see her moving around there behind the steel trailer and the boat there. They go out and they dig around for a little bit of grass. There's my well. And this is the back corner of the root cellar, so this well goes right in the very, very back corner of the root cellar. Like the corner is right here, like this. So my pressure tank, everything is in the ground in the root cellar. Mr. Bull looks like he's got a sore foot again. Not swollen, no, but every once in a while that I had to treat him once because when I first got him there, I think he got hurt in the head chute that they had him in because he was trying to jump out of it. And then when he got out of the trailer, he had a limp, and then it was swollen up and blood in between his toes. And I had to give him, me and 3 other guys had to rope him and put some stuff on his foot and give him 60 cc's of penicillin and Resflor for the inflammation, and then I darted him every day after that with 2 darts of 12 cc's of penicillin and 1 dart 12 cc's of Resflor. Sun is out. Hey, Shania. Those I usually use for feed. They're empty right now. Hey, girl. Yeah, okay, so I better best get to work because I got lots of insulation to do on the back side of the trailer on the north side. Put some plastic on there again to try and stop some of the wind coming through this rotten place. And it's rotten. Ever since my ex-wife flooded it and turned the heat off and it froze up back in 2013. As you can see, all the insulation has dropped out years ago. I got this side all stuffed with insulation, that Rockwell insulation in plastic bags. But this side here, the wood, everything is rotted out, and I gotta try and figure something out to get some insulation in there and then stand this wall up. And that section I got done But I'm going to run 6 mil plastic. This plastic I had on there, but the sun has totally destroyed it. I had it running the full length, and the sun's deteriorated it. And I tried to work on it yesterday, but it was just too bloody cold. And of course, the ex-wife got a court order for the $56,000 or $58,000, I can't remember what it was anymore now, write-off check from the insurance company writing off the mobile home. We had no kids or nothing, but she was just determined to make sure that I had nothing left. Mrs. Diane Niebela. You know, I should have known better when she wouldn't take my name when we first got married. She was just a cheating gold digger. And she found out about my lawsuit, because she got that money too, when I fell at work and broke my back. And so, like I say, 60% of everything I raise, excluding my breeders, goes to people in need that I can't afford to buy meat. 40% I sell to try and cover some costs, and 10% for myself and mom and dad. That there bag right there cost me $503 Canadian. And that's what my third bag this summer. Well, 2 bags of that and 1 bag of hog grower. And the hog grower was almost 600. So that's it, guys. I'm still I'm hoping next summer I can demolish that trailer and haul some gravel in and do a core floor with a monolithic pour with in-floor heating. Even if I can get a 24 by 16, 24 wide, 16 feet long, and I can always add on to the back end after. It'll be 16 long, 24 wide, but I just haven't had the money, and it's like every time I start to get ahead, something comes up, and there goes that money. Like I spent $2,700 on my truck this summer. 4 new tires, $700 for the front, $700 for the back, plus new exhaust system, new inner and outer tie rods, new pitman arm, new white pipe, new extension pipe, new muffler, new door hinge pins. What else did I have to do? Oh, I can't remember. Oh, new drive shaft. I had to get mine rebuilt because it seized up. And that was $470. And this drive shaft I got out of a buddy's wrecked truck, and the spline on it was seized up too. Well, it wasn't really seized. It's like I've never seen a slip yoke before with so many teeth on the spline. Usually you got 6 or 8 teeth only. This thing had like 100 and some teeth that were so fine. And I think what happened on both drive shafts is they stripped over and locked. And like I said, I used my 10,000 pound full ram, and I heated the heck out of them red hot with the oxyacetylene torch, and they wouldn't budge. So the grease was cooking out of them like crazy, but it wouldn't move. I beat on it with a sledgehammer with that pressure and the heat on it, but no way. Okay, have a great day, guys, and we'll see you again soon.